Hi, I'm Javier from Escotejo, Madrid. We are now in Calle de la Villa, visiting an apartment with one bedroom in a ground floor. We are going to start our visit, and now we are inside the property. This is the main door, and as we get into the house, we find the living room. Here we have a rectangular table with 4 chairs. This is the sofa. This sofa, we can open it and we'll have another double bed in the property. We have a carpet in the middle of the room, and in this side we have the kitchen. Let's have a look. We have plates and glasses, an electric stove. There we can see a coffee maker. We have a round single sink, and this is the washer. Next to the washer we find the fridge, the freezer, and a microwave. We can see there some pans, and in this side we have this shelf, and there we have a window. We have this for open it. We have silence in the house. We are near Plaza Mayor, and this is the bedroom. In this room we have a double bed. We can see a bedside table next to the bed. We have here some shelves, and this is the wardrobe. We have a standard wardrobe with 2 sliding doors. One of them is it's a mirror. We have bed linen and towels included in the price. And here we have the things for cleaning, and this is for drying our clothes. There we have another window. We are near Sol, in one of the best places for living here in Madrid. And at last we are seeing now the bathroom. We have this small bath. This is for water heating. It is electric. We have this sink with a mirror, and this is the toilet. And now that's all. I'm Javier Villas Home. Thank you very much.